Right now we are using lots of digital devices, smart devices like mobile, laptop, desktop, smart TV, tablet and other devices, and all those devices does have a digital screen which screen does emit a blue light. So this blue light has a bad effect in our eyes and in our health. In this video I am going to give you the review of Lenskart.com blue cut lenses. So I will talk about this, how the quality of the frame, how the quality of the lens, how much they cost, and is it value for money or not. So let's get started. First talk about the price. So I bought it at 649 rupees only with frame and blue cut lenses. Normally these lenses price between 2500 to 3500 on Lenskart, but on that day there was some offer or some bug trick was working, so I bought it at 649 rupees. And right now this offer is expired and you cannot order this product at 649 rupees. But anyway, if in future you will get this at 649 rupees or maybe within 1000 rupees, you can go for it. So let me talk about how they delivered. So after ordered and I paid online full amount of 649, so within 3 or 4 business days it has been delivered to my home using Blue Dart courier. So here you can see the packet, white color plastic packet. Inside there is traditional Lenskart box, and inside that the lens case was given there, which is color of brown, and the case quality is very good. There was spring is there, so it is automatically open and automatically close. So that is very nice. And there is one cleaning cloth also given there, which is a brown color also, and there was also Lenskart watermark logo. So keep this side, and there is also some gift voucher given there, some promo code was given there. If I again buy from Lenskart, they will give me a 500 rupees discount. Now let's focus to the main lens. So here you can see the lens is quite big because I have ordered slightly bigger size lens. It comes in medium segment of the lens size, and this is a TR90 material used in the frame. Here you can see, and the lens you can see how it looks like. So I must say the frame quality is very average. Yes, the lens quality is good, but the frame quality is very average because I have taken at 649, so that they have given the frame according to the price. And now let me talk about the fitting. So they fit it very bad, I must say. I am going to return this product because of their bad fitting. So the lens in one side is coming out, and the temple is not accurately adjusted or fitted. So left side and right side is not identical or symmetric in the temple, you can see. So that's why I'm going to return it. But apart from that, the lens, how it works, lens works perfectly. But now let me talk about the exactly feature of the blue cut lens. So here you can see in the blue cut lens, when you see anything, here you can see a small yellow tint or yellowish image you will see. Not it will filter out 100% blue light, because if it is possible, then you will not able to see any blue light. You will see a blue image or blue object as gray color or black color. So it is not possible to 100% filter out. So that is why they are filtering 20 to 30%. In real life uses, you will not see a big difference anywhere. Take off your glasses, you will see some white color, and when you wear the glasses, you will see some yellowish tint. That's the difference. And here you can see there is also reflector is coming there, because UV protection, anti-scratch coating, anti-glare coating and blue cut all have been given in this lens at just 649 rupees. So if you talk me, is it value for money? I will say definitely value for money. They will provide exchange also if I am not satisfied with this product within 14 days. So I am going to replace or refund this product after this video. So in my next video I will also talk about what is the situation of Lenskart, how you can return and get refund for this particular any product which you buy online, any eyeglasses online. So I will give another video very soon. For that, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. So that's all in this video. This is value for money product. If you are going to get within 1000 rupees, I got it at 649 rupees. It is pretty much thumbs up. So it is a value for money product. Is it mandatory to have a blue cut lenses or computer glasses if you use desktop or laptop and do online classes? I will talk about this in details in my next video. For that, you have to subscribe to this channel. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I am going to meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.